looking for Kashmir's hidden natural gem. Just 10 kilometers from Srinagar lies Hokersar Wetland Park. In summer, the park is a peaceful escape. Lotus leaves float on calm waters, fish swim beneath, and the gentle breeze whispers through the reeds. And in winters, Hokersar bursts into life. Over 500,000 migratory birds arrive from Siberia and Central Asia, like northern pintails, Eurasian wagons, and more, painting the wetlands with color and sound. Hokersar is more than beauty. It controls floods, replenishes groundwater, and supports local communities through fishing and ecotourism. A visit here lets you discover the rich local fauna, observe nature up close, and see how every creature plays a role in this delicate ecosystem. Whether in the quiet of summer or bustling rush of winter, Hokersar Wetland Park is a living sanctuary where every moment is a chance to pause, breathe, and marvel at life.